Hi everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and want to see more crafty related videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you like YouTube to notify you of my videos. And most importantly, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up because it lets me know and lets YouTube know if I'm doing a good job or not. I think that's it. Let's get in there. So today I've waited mail. I get it. It's COVID and it's 2020 and it's holidays and mail's gonna be off a lot, but I sent my dad a package over 2 weeks ago and he still hasn't received it. So that's disappointing. But anyways, it is our monthly card kit from Miss Kiesha here, who is Kiesha Creations on YouTube. Her information will be in the link below. If you're not familiar with the card kit thing, it's a monthly kit that you can purchase from her, and then she sends you a bag of goodies, and then you make what it is, and you post in her group what you make. So that's long story short. So she has this one, a Christmas theme. Ooh, this is the first one that she did themed, and I'm super excited about. She sent this really pretty green. Oh my god, that is a beautiful green lace. Definitely gonna be using that. We have some brown cardstock, and then of course we have our cellophane bag, or what is that called? I don't know. With a really beautiful stamped image of a tree. And then let's see what else is in the goodies. And then we have these little goodies. So we have, it looks like a Believe sticker maybe. A little circle punch out and some like sequences and stuff that says Merry Christmas and all that. Really cute. I like those. And then the card reveal. She always puts something over top of the card so you can't see it. And let's see what it is. Oh, look how cute Santa looks. It's a really cute Santa card. This is gonna be super fun to work with, so I'm super excited. So how I do these videos is I do the opening, which I post usually when we're allowed to start posting in the group with the opening video, and then a couple of days later I will post the process video, and it's pretty much just me making whatever I make with this, I guess is what you want to say. So I'm super excited for that. I need to get back into my YouTube channel. I know I've been MIA. It's been crazy. Like I said, 2020, at this end of the month, the holidays have kicked me right in the rear end. I didn't get to have any of my Christmas sales like I wanted to, which is a bummer because I have a whole tote of Christmas stuff I wanted to share with everybody and so forth. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.